Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add music from your computer to your Spotify library in just a few quick and easy steps. So let's get straight into it. And we're going to first need to launch up the Spotify application. And then we're just going to head over to our profile icon in the top right here and select Settings. From the Settings menu, we need to scroll down until you find this option here, where it says Your Library and Show Local Files. So the first thing you need to do is enable this option by toggling this on, and then you'll see this section appear where it says Show Songs from Downloads and Music Library. Now this section is basically just telling you where your local files are currently being sourced from. So at the moment, the Spotify application is looking for music in my Downloads folder and also in my Music Library folder. If you have music located elsewhere on your computer, then we can come over to Add a Source and we can locate the folder or destination where we want Spotify to look for that music for. For example, I can just add desktop over here and hit OK. And now you can see Spotify is going to be looking for music in my Downloads folder, Music Library, and also on my desktop. So once you've enabled these options, I'll show you how to actually find this music. So all you need to do is head over to this left-hand panel and select Expand Your Library. And then from these list of options on the left, we just need to come down to Local Files. And then as you can see, this is actually a song that's being saved on my computer, and it's now showing up inside of my Spotify library. From here, I can either just play the song and listen to it now on my computer, or we can also add this to a playlist just by pressing the Add to Playlist button and selecting the playlist that we want this song added to. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you play music from your computer on your Spotify application. If this video did help you, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.